Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, flipping you the bluebird of happiness and setting your expectations high. So what does having high expectations mean? It can mean different things to a lot of people depending on what you're doing, right? If you're buying, let's say, a Ferrari, you'll have high expectations of luxury and precision. Or if you're visiting some far-off exotic land, you could have high expectations of seeing 0 people. You can dance around in a grass skirt and coconuts. Of course, those two examples are night and day from each other. One is cutting-edge technology, the other is completely primitive. So what do they have in common? Expectation that the product lives up to its promise. Take Walmart, for instance. Walmart's slogan is save money, live better. Now you may not think of Walmart as a high expectation product, but Sam Walton, founder of Walmart, definitely did. He said high expectations are the key to absolutely everything. Sam Walton understood that it was absolutely critical to live up to what his slogan was promising. His commitment to the high expectation of his customers, even if what they were buying was a bargain, is what made Walmart the largest retailer on the planet. So we can all take a lesson from old Sam. Whatever image we choose for our business, it had better reflect a product we deliver to our customers, or we won't be in business for long. So set those expectations and strive every day to make sure your product lives up to those promises. And very soon, you too will be living better. I've given you Walmart Sam Walton Gold. Now run with it.